Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1759 for the 2019 Gold Rush Gem Mint Basketball Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. And it is Sunday, April 12th, 2020. It's 11:46 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:46 p.m. Central Time, and 8:46 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Tony 4 spots, Dave 4, Nick 4, Laddie 3, JoJo 2, Jeremy 7, 6192, Zav 3, Triple B 1. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams. The break, Tony on top, Triple B bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Dave on top, Zav on the bottom. Dave, you have the Hawks and Celtics, Nick Nets, Tony Hornets, Zav Bulls, Nick Cavaliers, Laddie Cards Mavericks, Jeremy Nuggets Pistons, JoJo Warriors, 619 with the Rockets, Jeremy Pacers, Tony Clippers, Laddie Cards Lakers, Triple B Grizzlies, Jeremy Heat, Nick Bucks, 619 Timberwolves, Nick Pelicans, JoJo with the Knicks, Dave with the Thunder, Tony Magic, Jeremy 76ers Suns, Dave Trailblazers, Tony Kings, Zav Spurs, Jeremy Raptors, Laddie Cards Jazz, and Zav with the Washington Wizards. Oh, who won the horse game, by the way? Anybody check that out? 7 o'clock Eastern Time. Somebody want to get me an update on that? I'd appreciate that. All right, whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And real quick, be on the lookout for some new basketball breaks. All right, Steph Curry, Gem Mint 9.5, Chinese New Year, Golden State Warriors Revolution, Steph Curry, Golden State Warriors. Very nice for Golden State. Steph. Gem Mint 9.5, break 1759. Did he? That's pretty wild. That's pretty cool. Golden State Warriors going to JoJo 806. Congrats, JoJo. On the Gem Mint 9.5, Chinese New Year, Steph Curry, Golden State Warriors. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us there by subscribing on eBay as well, P2J Sports Cards, and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to break 1763 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition. Thanks.